Future Foundation ozone test chamber is designed in accordance with ISO standard 1431 part 1, 2 and 3. Future Foundation ozone test chamber measures 500 times 500 times 600 millimeter, which is approximately 150 liters capacity. The test chamber is made of stainless steel 304. All wetted area is made of ozone-resistant stainless steel, aluminium or Teflon. The test chamber is securely interlocked, sealed to prevent any leaks. The test chamber is well illuminated for inspection through glass window in the front door. Future Foundation ozone test chamber has a single channel UV ozone analyzer. The UV method of ozone measurement is the most precise method available internationally. Analysis is UV based and works on adsorption principle. Ozone is adsorbed at 254 nanometer wavelength. It measures and controls the ozone concentration in the chamber. The ozone concentration is maintained within specified limits of test requirements. The calibration of UV analyzer is traceable to NIST USA laboratory. The test chamber has two openings for ozonized air to enter and exit across it. The flow of ozonized air is measured and controlled by a rotometer mounted on the control panel. This flow can be adjusted between 120 liters per minute to 250 liters per minute. It houses both static and dynamic test apparatus. Static test. There are 5 static testing frames on which samples are mounted to maintain desired elongation between 5 to 80%. The static frames are mounted on a turntable. The turntable is designed so that each frame rotates itself on its own axis while revolving with the turntable. The revolution of the turntable is adjusted so that each sample is exposed to all quadrants of the chamber once in 10 minutes. Dynamic test. The dynamic test apparatus is mounted on the top plate of the chamber inside. There is a provision of 4 samples to be tested each time. The sample undergoes stretching and relaxation at the rate of 30 per minute. The elongation of the test piece can be varied from 10% to 80% by adjusting a calibrated eccentric wheel above. During the testing, there are 3 variables which are to be monitored for the given test period: ozone concentration, temperature, humidity. Future Foundation test chamber has an HMI mounted on the front panel. It displays 3 variables digitally and in a graphical manner in the real time. The HMI has touch button for operation. The control is through dedicated PLC. Data stored in HMI can be downloaded on a memory stick. Future Foundation ozone analyzer is calibrated with the help of NIST USA certified ozone calibration source. Ozone chamber is designed as per current international standard. Precise ozone control and monitor is its hallmark.